a declassified U.S. Air Force report on teleportation, which was made available through the Federation of American Scientists. The document confirms how in 1979, a major Chinese science journal, Zhirong, which means Nature Journal, carried a report on non-visual pattern recognition, in which numerous accounts of exceptional human body function were confirmed. As a result, an unofficial preliminary organization to study this under the watch of the Nature Journal was established. In 1980, the journal and the Chinese Human Body Science Association held a major parapsychology conference in Shanghai, with participants from over 20 research institutes and universities, specifically to study the phenomenon of remote viewing, telepathy, psychokinesis, clairvoyance, and many others. 1 year later, in 1981, over 100 centers to study children with purported exceptional abilities and mental capabilities were formed, with the cooperation of more than 100 formally trained psychic scholars. 1 year after that, in 1982, the Chinese Academy of Sciences sponsored a public hearing in Beijing that more than 4,000 scholars attended regarding cases of parapsychological abilities within humans. They called for fair but strictly controlled tests to lead to a final judgment. Here's one shocking outline from the document. In all the experimental cases that were reported, the test specimens that were teleported were completely unaltered or unchanged from their initial state. Even the insects were unaffected by being teleported. The experiments were well controlled, scientifically recorded, and the experimental results were always repeatable.